Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will continue the chapter of fractions. As we told you in the last video that fractions means parts. So now we'll be doing some material from page number 225. There is a question: what fraction of the waffle is eaten? This is a waffle. It has 4 parts. This part is eaten. It is eaten and it will remain balanced. So we need to tell what fraction of the whole is eaten. So as we told you in the last session that when we write something in fractions, so the lower part is representing total parts of something and upper portion is parts eaten. So here we see that total parts are 4. It will come down 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many parts are eaten? Only 1 part. So we'll write here 1. So when we need to express that, if one portion is eaten out of 4, so we say 1/4 means quarter of the whole is eaten. If you can remember, we also discussed that 1/4 it is termed as quarter. So quarter portion of the waffle is eaten. Question number 6. What fraction of each circle is shaded? There is one circle given and there are parts like this. One, two, three, four, 5 parts. Which fraction of each circle is shaded? So this part is shaded there. I'll make it red for your understanding. So this circle has total 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of this part is only shaded. So we need to tell what fraction of each circle is shaded. So we need to tell about this part, that how we can write it in terms of fractions. Fractions means it will be told with respect to the whole. There are 5 parts, so we will do the same. This is for your understanding to memorize total parts. Shaded parts. This is one part shaded, so we'll say 1 shaded. And how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are total. So 1/5. We also say 1/5. 1/5 part of the circle is shaded. Now the next figure, it is also having 5 parts and therein 2 parts are shaded. We will tell you about this question in 2 different ways. One way is if we say shaded parts over total parts. We need to tell this shaded part, how much is this in fractions. How many shaded parts are? 2 parts are shaded. How many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are total. So it is 1/5. So it is 2/5. We can say It is 2/5. So 2/5 of the circle is shaded. We can also tell the same thing in another way. See, when only one part was shaded, so we came to know that it is 1/5. Now when another part is shaded, so this part alone is also 1/5. This part is 1/5 because you know that this is one part shaded and total parts are 5. And if we talk about only this part, this is one part, total are 5. So this is also 1/5. This is also 1/5. So when both, if you, let's suppose, shade this one, so you have shaded one part only. So when you shade another one, so another 1/5, 1/5 you have shaded. So 1/5 and 1/5. So it becomes like this. Two parts are shaded. So we can say 1 plus 1 is 2 and this 5 will remain the same, 2/5. The answer is the same, that 2/5 of the circle is shaded. Now we see that the third circle, it also has 5 parts, and out of this 3 parts are shaded. So we say that shaded parts over total parts. How many shaded parts? 1, 2, 3. 3 are shaded parts. How many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are total. So we say 3/5 of the circle is shaded. So this was the material on page number 225. Now we move to page number 226. I will just briefly tell you about this page because we already have done major portion of this page. It is mentioned 1/2 is 1/2, 1/3 is 1/3, 1/4 is 1/4 or 1/4, 1/5 is 1/5, 1/6 is 1/6, 1/7 is 1/7, 1/8 is 1/8, 1/9 is 1/9, 1/10 is 1/10, 1/11 is 1/11, and 1/12 is 1/12. Now we will move to the page 228. The first question is which are cut into equal parts. There is one cookie given like this. So it is cut, this portion is cut. We see this is a bigger portion, so this is not cut into 2 equal parts. Then we see that there is one pizza, it is cut into 5 equal parts. So we say it is equal, the parts are cut equal. Okay, then I think we have already done these questions before in our previous lecture. So now we will be moving to another chapter in next video.